What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I'm also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. Real quick. So I haven't been uploading as often because I actually got a new phone, and the last videos that I tried to record, they weren't it. So hopefully this video does good and I can upload it and everything, but fingers crossed. But yeah, I've been feeling a little bit uninspired waiting for my Made by Beaute palette. I actually ordered the Head in the Clouds palette, which was supposed to be here today but got delayed in shipment, so I was so sad. But yeah, so that's why I've been kind of a little MIA on YouTube, but definitely I've been very active on TikTok. So if you don't follow my TikTok, you should definitely check it out. But these are our vibes today. I did my full face on camera with you guys since it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so yeah. It's probably going to be a voiceover because my kids have been being bad today, but that's okay, you know, everybody has bad days. So yeah, so it'll probably be a voiceover. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this stunning look, then you already know what to do. Please just keep on watching. Okay, so jumping right on into voiceover, I'm starting, as always, of course, by priming my eyelids with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 2. Always gotta pat it in, and of course I take it all the way on my temple as well. Going in with the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette. Look how pretty. I'm gonna start by taking this shade right here called Pink Moon. So first things first, I always pack down the pigment before I start blending it out. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just packing it down and then lightly blending it up towards my brow. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Sangria. I know it's upside down, I just didn't want the mirror to show. So I'm essentially doing the same thing. I'm just packing down this really dark color, getting as much pigment as possible out of it, and then I'm just lightly blending it up into that lighter pink. And, you know, I'll just keep packing it down until I'm happy with the pigmentation. Then I'm going to take this shade right here called Bahamas, and this is like the middle shade. And I'm going to just start blending out right on top of that pink and like that darker red color. And then I'm going to go back in between all three of the colors just to perfect the blend, make sure that it's nice and flare out how I want it. And of course, I don't want to lose any of the colors in between as well. Next, I'm taking my P. Louise Basic Brights, and this one is in Winter Rose. So pretty. And I'm going to use this to cut out the halo part of my eye. So after I cut the crease, I just kind of tap the edges in so that way it's nice and seamless. And then I'm going to take this shade right here called Aruba, which is like a beautiful kind of like orangey yellow shade. And I'm just packing it on with a fluffy brush. Look how pretty. And I just blend the edges in a little bit so that way the shimmer and the like mattes, they go together real nice that way. So now I'm taking my Hank & Henry Miss Red Carpet Loose Luster Pearls, which is like the little bottom section of this little component, which I don't know what happened to the footage. It cut off. So moving on to my Suva Beauty Space Panda Hydra Liner, I'm going to go ahead and do my wings. I'm a little disappointed that the Hank & Henry portion cut out because like look how pretty and like extra sparkly and glittery it is. But yeah, so here's me doing my wings. This honestly took me so long to do. This is so fast forwarded and it's still so long, but obviously because it's like hollow liner, I had to make sure it was perfect. Otherwise it would look silly. Next up, of course, we have lashes. These are the Cavalli lashes in the style Mochi. So just gonna plop these bad boys on really quickly. My son is back there behind me eating a bowl of cereal. So now I'm moving on to face. I already moisturized, so I'm priming my skin with the Baby Skin like pore filling primer. You know, just around like my T-zone and all that good stuff. And then going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a foundation stick, but it's dark, so contour. And I'm just gonna, you know, contour my face and my. Look at my other son eating a bowl of cereal with his fingers. Oh my gosh! No wonder there was milk everywhere. Anyways, yeah, I'm just blending out my contour. Look super hot right now. I know, super sexy. Yeah. So you know, just my camera dropped. Just my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, under my lip. You know, the usual places. And then I'm going to be going in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. And I just like to apply it with a little like flat brush and then blend it out after that. So yeah, here we go. We're going to do that. In with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna, you know, highlight all the high points of my face, sides of my nose, forehead, under eye, cupid's bow, all that good stuff. And then blend it out with the same sponge that I used to blend in my foundation. I am all over the place in this video, but I didn't show it, but I'm right here. I'm just setting my face with my Coty Airspun translucent powder and my Tati Blendiful. If you guys don't have a Tati Blendiful, it's like a powder puff, and it's just so amazing. Like my nose, I can't even explain it. Beautiful. Next, I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill Do Me. This is like, it's a illuminizing powder, so it's not a highlight, but it's basically just giving me some shine back into my matte like face. Love it. So beautiful, so stunning, and so subtle. Next, taking my Silhouette, the Makeup Shack contour palette. My kids got into it. They destroyed it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Taking the shade right here called Fawn, and I'm just going to contour my face up a little bit, bronze it and all that good stuff, you know, give some dimension back to my face. Then I'm taking my Benefit Hoola Light to contour my nose. So I'm just drawing two really harsh lines on either side of my nose. That's going to just make the top look more skinny. I have a very like bulbous nose on the bottom, so I like to contour that to make it look more cute and buttony rather than, damn, she got a big nose. That makes sense. Then I'm taking my Dragon Beauty Transformation Face Powder. I like to mix both shades, as you could see, and I'm using that to brighten under my eyes as well as blend my nose contour kind of just into my skin. Okay, so I'm taking my Ace Beauty palette to do my under eyes. I'm starting with the darkest color first and then working my way up to the lightest. And then just for my inner corner highlight, I used the same shimmer Aruba that I did on top. This is the LA Girl lip liner in Rose. And this is the Half Cake lipstick in Low Key. dry. My lips are like the Sahara. I actually got these 3 lipsticks, so they're all 3 of them are from Half Cake. They came in like, I thought it was cards. I was like, bitch, what? I got cards in my box of charm, but it's actually these 3 lipsticks. And so this is, I tried one of them. I tried the lightest one, the formula, and I was actually really impressed because it stood on, the whole time that I was gone and everything. And it was very comfortable. I was able to kiss my husband and it didn't smear. So I really like that. So I really like this formula. I never heard of this brand before, but definitely you guys should check them out if you like a comfortable matte lipstick. It's not like sticky and it stays all day. So yeah. So here is the completed look. I really hope that you, oh, my baby's crying. Gotta go get that. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.